If you're looking for the best budget orbital sander that delivers smooth, efficient performance without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Finding a sander that combines quality, power, and affordability can be challenging, but we've narrowed down some top contenders under $200. In this video, we'll explore the features, pros, and cons of these tools to help you make an informed choice for your next sanding project. Bosch ROS 20V SC. If you're looking for a high-quality orbital sander without exceeding a $200 budget, the Bosch ROS 20V SC stands out as a top contender. Designed for both DIYers and professionals, this 5-inch random orbital sander offers a 2.5 amp motor with variable speed control, allowing you to tailor the sanding power to different materials and projects. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or painted surfaces, its random orbital motion ensures a smooth, swirl-free finish. One of the most user-friendly features of this sander is its hook-and-loop disc attachment system, which holds sanding pads securely while allowing for quick and easy replacements. Additionally, Bosch's pad dampening system minimizes swirl marks, making it ideal for achieving a professional quality finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. The ergonomic soft grip design further enhances comfort, reducing hand fatigue during long sanding sessions. Despite being an affordable option, the Bosch Orbital Sander delivers excellent dust collection. Its microfilter system captures even the finest dust particle, keeping your workspace cleaner and improving visibility. The twist-off dust canister makes disposal simple and mess-free, further adding to its convenience. While it may not have the power of heavy-duty industrial sanders, the Bosch Budget Orbital Sander offers exceptional control, precision, and durability at a budget-friendly price. If you need a reliable, efficient, and high-quality orbital sander under $200, this is a top pick for both casual and serious sanding projects. Makita BO 5030K. This Makita Random Orbit Sander is a top contender for the best budget sander under $200, offering a perfect blend of power, efficiency, and user-friendly design. Equipped with a 3.0 AMP motor, it delivers a consistent 12,000 OPM, ensuring smooth and even sanding across various surfaces. The 1/8-inch random orbit action minimizes swirl marks, producing a flawless finish ideal for both professionals and DIYers. What sets this Makita apart is its ergonomic rubberized grip, which enhances comfort and control during extended use. The pad control system ensures a controlled start, preventing gouging and allowing for more precise sanding experience. Additionally, its through-the-pad dust collection system efficiently captures debris, maintaining a cleaner workspace and improving visibility. Makita has also prioritized durability with sealed ball-bearing construction, extending the tool's lifespan. The dust-sealed switch further enhances longevity by preventing contamination, ensuring reliable performance over time. Swapping out sanding pads is effortless with the quick-change hook-and-loop system, making this sander a hassle-free option for any project. Packaged with a tool case, this sander is easy to store and transport, adding to its overall value. While it may lack variable speed control found in higher-end models, its powerful motor, smooth operation, and durability make it an unbeatable option in its price range. For anyone looking for a high-performance, budget-friendly random orbit sander, the Makita BO 5030K is a solid investment. DEWALT DCW210D1. The DEWALT Random Orbital Sander redefines convenience and performance in sanding, making it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this sander delivers exceptional runtime and efficiency, ensuring smooth and precise sanding across various surfaces. What sets this sander apart is its variable speed control, allowing users to adjust between 8,000 to 12,000 OPM, ensuring optimal performance for different applications. Its low-profile design enhances control, enabling users to get closer to the work surface for more precise sanding. The texturized rubber grip provides superior comfort, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Designed with durability in mind, this sander features a dust-sealed switch that protects against dust contamination, extending its lifespan. The one-handed locking dust bag simplifies dust collection, and for those using an external vacuum, the dust port is compatible with DEWALT's dust extractor, or can be connected to other systems with the DWV 9000 Universal Quick Connector. This cordless sander offers unmatched flexibility, eliminating the hassle of cords without sacrificing power. The included 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger ensure you're ready to tackle any project right out of the box. While some users may find larger batteries add weight, the trade-off is extended runtime for larger tasks. With its blend of power, portability, and precision, the DEWALT DCW210D1 is an outstanding choice for those seeking a high-quality, cordless orbital sander that delivers professional-grade results without compromise. Milwaukee M18. The Milwaukee M18 Random Orbit Sander stands out as one of the best budget options under $200 for those seeking powerful, versatile performance without breaking the bank. Designed for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this sander delivers up to 12,000 orbits per minute, making it perfect for a wide range of sanding tasks, from wood to metal. The variable speed dial offers flexibility, allowing you to adjust the speed to suit different applications, whether you need precision or extra power for heavy-duty tasks. One of the key features that sets the Milwaukee M18 apart is its ergonomic design. The compact size and textured grip provide comfort and stability during prolonged sanding sessions, ensuring better control. Additionally, its low-profile design allows you to get closer to the work surface for more detailed sanding, giving you greater precision. The sander also boasts a durable dust collection system, ensuring a cleaner workspace by capturing dust and reducing airborne particles. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 35 minutes on a 3.0 amp-hour battery, you can complete most tasks without interruption. While sold as a bare tool, the Milwaukee M18 5-inch Random Orbit sander is a great option for those already using the Milwaukee M18 system, offering reliability, power, and comfort, all at an affordable price. Porter Cable 382. The Porter Cable 382 Random Orbit Sander has earned a spot as one of the best budget-friendly sanders under $200, providing impressive performance at an affordable price. Powered by a 1.9 amp motor, it delivers a maximum 12,000 orbits per minute, ensuring efficient and smooth sanding for a variety of tasks. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or other surfaces, this sander consistently provides reliable results. What truly sets this orbital sander apart is its controlled finishing system, which helps maintain consistent pad speed during startup, reducing the risk of gouging. This feature ensures a smooth sanding experience from the moment you start the tool. Additionally, its dual-plane counterbalanced fan minimizes vibration, allowing for longer usage with reduced user fatigue. Designed with comfort in mind, the sander's ergonomic grip enhances control during operation. The dust-sealed switch protects against dust contamination, contributing to the sander's durability over time. The included dust bag keeps your workspace cleaner, and the 5-inch hook-and-loop sanding pad makes paper changes quick and hassle-free. Ideal for both professionals and DIYers, this sander combines affordability with solid performance, making it a great option for anyone looking to achieve smooth finishes without breaking the bank. It's a reliable, user-friendly tool built for both precision and efficiency. Whether you're a beginner or experienced woodworker, this sander will handle your sanding needs with ease.